section, we will talk about LinearList ADT. What is ADT? It is abstract data type. It is a very important concept in data structure because the idea is that it is a type or class of objects whose behavior is defined by a set of values and a set of operations. The term behavior implies that it's talking about what is to be done, but not the details. That is, the definition of ADT only mentions what operations are to be performed, not how this information will be implemented. The focus is on the what. Okay, it is called abstract because it gives an implementation independent view. Okay, how independent? The process of providing only the essentials of holding the details is known as abstraction. So it does not specify how data will be organized in memory and what algorithm will be used for implementing the operation. So let's see our example, the LinearList abstract data type. So what's that mean? When we call a class, it is called to be LinearList. So we have some requirement that has to be implemented. So they include the following operations. Is empty, it would return true if and only if the list is empty, and if it returns false if it is not. Second one is the size. It returns the size, that is the number of elements in the list. And also it can get by the index of the element I. And you can also get the index of an object. It returns the index of first occurrence of x, which is an object in the list, and return -1 if x is not found in the list. And if we can also remove an element by an index, and you have to take note on it, it not only remove an element, but it also return the element inside this node. And the index will be reduced by 1 for the elements with high indexes. And then you can also add an element inside x as the index element, and elements with the index greater than this index will increase by 1. And lastly, it can output the list of elements from left to right. So